Okay, good afternoon, and let us present our prototype, the prototype of our system for detecting burnout. So here you can see the list of sensors. So actually this is two EMU sensors powered by battery. Here is a heart rate monitor, and this is a device for receiving data from heart rate monitor. So now let's put all these sensors on me. Okay, so as you can see, all our sensors are wireless, so I can freely move my hands, so I can stand up, so no problems. This is really convenient system for players. Okay, so now let's plug this device for receiving data into my laptop, and actually, so let's run our script. Okay, so after start, our system waits for calibration for about 20 seconds, and we just need to move our hands somehow in order to collect enough data from EMU sensors for calibration. And actually, the amount of time of calibration is adjustable. So, okay, so it's done, and now our system, our script on our laptop sends data to the server. And if we connect to the server, we will see this raw data, also the per-process data, so we apply some smoothing in order to remove some noise. And on the server, the system predicts the probability of burnout, and after that we compare this probability with some threshold. So we set threshold equal to 0.7, and if the probability of burnout is higher than this threshold, so then the system will decide that there is burnout, and the system will notify us about that. Also, we send all data to Node-RED for visualization and for providing this data, this information to, for example, trainer. So thus trainer will be able to track the condition of his players. And here you can see how values change. For instance, if I click by mouse, so these values will change. Also, if I move my mouse, so we will also see some changes here. So because we also collect data from computer, like mouse movements, mouse clicks, and also keyboard presses. So if I press some buttons on my keyboard, so we will see how these values change. And there is some delay caused by pre-processing, so we smooth our data. So that's why there is some delay in visualization. Okay, so actually this is how our system works. So now there is no burnout. And let's try to play some video games and look how our system will detect burnout and how it will notify us about burnout. But unfortunately, so I don't have any video games, so I don't play in many video games. Instead, I'm preparing for spontaneous quizzes. So let's do that. Okay, so as you can see, our system detected burnout, so and it notifies us using this pop-up notification, and also in Node-RED, so we can see that this gauge also shows us that there is burnout. So this is actually how our system works. Thank you for your attention.
Что не сделаешь ради IOT.
This is really convenient system for players.